Hey sis, welcome back to my channel. Thanks so much for tuning in with me today. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, definitely go ahead and hit the subscribe button right now and hit the bell right next to it to get notified each time when I drop a new video. So in today's video, I'm basically introducing one of my favorite lip gloss that I make called Pineapple Express. I'm going to go ahead and walk you guys through how to make this lip gloss. I'll also be providing measurements. So if you like, you can make lip gloss at home as it's fairly easy and simple to do. So stay tuned with me while I show you guys how to do that. Okay, so right here we have 3 cups of Versagel. Um, as you can see, it's very thick in the form that it is in at this point, but this is what it looks when you buy it directly from your supplier, whatever that may be. As I said, if you're looking for Versagel, you just want to search in your Google Versagel Canada, Versagel USA, as I find it's much easier to look for Versagel in your own country, especially since shipping is such an issue at this time. So as I said, I was going to give you guys measurements, but because I was making I did add oil in increments. Right now I'm only going to add a quarter. I use 2 oils, just to clarify, in my lip gloss. So here I'm using a quarter cup of each of those oils, but by the end of the video, I did end up using a half cup of each oil. So in total, I end up using 1 cup of oil to 3 cups of Versagel. So as I said before, guys, you can use just about any oil that you like. It doesn't really matter. It depends on you, what you're going for, your preference, as well. So you just want to research your different carrier oils to find an oil that meets your needs and where you're trying to go with your business. So once you've added the oils, you do want to take your time and combine the oil into the Versagel. It does take a little bit of time to do this, but you just want to slowly combine them. Once you have combined the oil in the Versagel, this is the type of texture that you should be getting, the consistency that you should be getting. But depending on how much oil you have added, if you added less oil than I have or more, then of course your consistency would be a little different. But in this case, this is the consistency that I'm going for. It's not sticky, it's very glossy, and it definitely keeps your lips moisturized for a long time. So here we're just adding the mica powder. Now, this is just the yellow pigment that we're adding here. You can use whatever pigment you want. Just make sure it is cosmetic grade pigment that you're using and it's safe to go on lips. Once you've added the amount. So what you want to do is slowly add your pigment to your gloss. Just so you can get the right look that you're going for. It completely depends on, of course, the kind of gloss that you're about to create. But you want to slowly add it and add as you go along, because at the end you can keep adding more. But if you add too much, then you're probably going to end up having to start all over. So it's better just to add a little as you go along to get the desired look that you're going for. So we're just going to go ahead and mix, and I'll continue adding pigment as I go along to get the desired look that I want. By the end of this video, you guys see that I want it to be a bright yellow, so I'll continue adding until I get my desired look. Okay, so this is now this is how it looks after adding all the pigment that I desire into the lip gloss. Gives a bright yellow look. At the same time, I've also added flavoring to this lip gloss. Unfortunately, I did lose that clip, but I did add pineapple flavoring. So this lip gloss is scented pineapple, which is one of my favorite fruits. So it smells absolutely amazing and it looks amazing as well. So at this point, I'm just going to show you guys how I've filled in our 8-ounce jars. Normally, I would fill in glass tubes, but in this video, I'll be showing you guys that my 8-ounce jars, which we use for wholesale, as I will be offering some items for wholesale as well. So all I did was just spoon in the lip gloss into the jar. I found it was much easier to do this. Of course, all these jars will be weighed to ensure that they have the correct amount of lip gloss. Not trying to cheat anybody out of their money's worth. So I'm just cleaning up the other jar. Of course, making lip gloss can get a little messy, but these are jars, guys, of lip gloss. So if you have not yet signed up for a newsletter, definitely do that. All that information in the description box below. But thanks you guys for watching. Until next time, bye.